To solve the nice problem, let's solve the given equation first. To do that, let's look at the right side. 392 equals 8 times 49. So we get 8 times 49 is 7 squared. But 8 can be written as 7 plus 1 times 7 squared. So we get 7 cubed plus 7 squared. So the left side is x cubed plus x squared. So you see x equals 7 is actually a solution. Let's move these two terms to the left side. So we get x cubed minus 7 cubed plus x squared minus 7 squared equals 0. For the first two terms, we use difference cubes formula. So we get x minus 7 times x squared plus 7 times x, so 7x plus 7 squared, which is 49. For the second two terms, we use difference of squares formula. So we get x minus 7 times x plus 7 equals 0. Take the common factor out, so x minus 7 times, the first term is x squared plus 7x plus 49. For the second term, x plus 7 equals 0. Let's combine the second factor. Correct line terms, so we get x squared, right? And then 7x, x, so plus 8x plus 49 plus 7, 56 equals 0. So we have two cases to consider. One, x minus 7 equals 0. In that case, x equals 7. Then x cubed equals 7 cubed, which is 343. For the second case, x squared plus 8x plus 56 equals 0. Let's see if it has any real solution. Look at the discriminant. Delta equals 8 squared minus 4a, which is 1, c, which is 56. It is less than 0. So no real solution. That means the only solution to the given equation would be 343. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.